Look at me, I'm
Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Colscopters, and today we're going to show you the Flymo versus the Yardforce. A lot of people have been saying about the Flymo, that the video that I did last time and all that, and a lot of people have been asking about the Yardforce. So this is like a bit of a face-off, if you like. So I'm going to show you which is the best. Anyway, as you can see, they are both in the folded position. Okay, so we're going to show you how easy it is to unfold, and also the grass box, see it at the back, it's been folded. But before we do, let's have a better look at the machines. There they are, side by side. So here we go. First of all, it doesn't fold here, and then you get these screw things. Line them up like that. Like that. And then the box is a solid frame bit, and that just clips into place like this. Now next thing we're going to do, the Yardforce. This one folds a bit more flatter. And then you line up the arrows, like so. Click that in. This is easy to do. Grass box, literally 2 pins at the back, slots in like that. So you can see them side by side. Right, now a lot of you were asking about the height adjusters. The Yardforce wins this one as well this round because it's got a lot more. Let's count them. Okay, the Flymo has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjusters. That's it, 5. The Yardforce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 more on the height adjuster, so it wins that way. Also the handle position is a lot better on the Yardforce, and a much more comfier grip with a big easy control bar versus the Flymo. Okay, next thing we're going to do, lightweight. The Yardforce, and then the Flymo. The Flymo is just a little bit lighter, but I think the Yardforce is because it's a bigger machine anyway, and the battery is a bit bigger, so it's probably got a little bit more power, so it makes it just that little bit more heavier. Okay. Check the battery. Okay folks, Yardforce. To make this fur, it's on 2 bars. Okay, to make this fur, I can't just about see that, that's on 2 bars. Okay, switch that on, and the key is on here. Now, go right down to the lowest setting. Right down to the lowest setting on the Yardforce. Right folks, give these a test. Okay guys, now you can see the difference between, on the left, that's the Yardforce, a much shorter cut at its lowest setting due to the grass is quite long, and on the right there you've got the fly mow, multi-mow mower. The good thing about the Yardforce, it's wider width, so you don't have to cut it for as long, you get the job done quicker, whereas the fly mow multi-mow is just a bit narrower. I'm going to have a closer look in a second to show you it in action. Okay folks, we're right down amongst the ants, and be prepared to be shaken but not stirred. Yeah, let's get this thing close. sure if you can see that, folks. You can see the stripes there on the Yardforce, and coming up here at the rear we've got the Flymo Multimo. So I'm going to pull the policia down here, right? Let's do the next test with the Multimo. Actually, make it more fur. Got to get it more realistic, because this is the side of the Multimo, folks. Right. Okay, so that's the test completed. So they're the two mowers. You've got the Flymo Multimo with a 300 lithium-ion battery, and then you've got the Yardforce as well. There it is, with the 40 volt lithium-ion battery. Let's just see how much juice we've got left. 1 bar, because we didn't half abuse it, sort of thing. We didn't fully charge this thing. And what about the Multimo? One bar as well. So that's both of the mowers. Let's step back. There you go. Now you can tell which one you prefer. Personally myself, I prefer the Yardforce. I like the look of it. Looks like a petrol mower. It's rugged, solid, and a nice strong solid body, and it collapses a lot better as well. Or you can go for the lightweight Flymo Multimo. The choice is yours. This is Colscopters. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully we'll bring you some more fantastic products to show soon. Thanks a lot. Hi guys, I just want to show you this quickly before I go. On the left hand side, as you see before in the old video, that was the Flymo, right? And on purpose I made sure the battery was really low to cut this grass. I wanted the experiment so you know how far you'd go on the charges. The Flymo only just did, well, it didn't do the whole of that left hand side, to be fair, and they had the both same amount of power, and the Yardforce well exceeded and did a better cut as well, as you can see on the right hand side, and the Yardforce has only just now run out of power. They both can do a tennis court size garden, but this garden that I'm in now is bigger than the average normal garden, so the Yardforce obviously wins this as well. So it looks like the Yardforce is the newer machine. The Flymo Multimo is a year old, so it's obviously year old technology, and technology has moved on loads already. by looking at the Yardforce and looking at the cut. The cut is much more cleaner, crisper, and it looks more professional. And that was on mode 2 as well. I put it, they both were on mode 2 or setting 2 on your grass, so that's what you get. So there you go, chaps. Enjoy yourselves and click that helicopter icon at the bottom of the page. Thanks a lot, folks. Okay guys, welcome to another episode of Colscopters, and today we've got the Yardforce 40 volt lithium ion battery, and this is the cordless mower, and this is the charger. I'm going to show you about the battery and the charger. Okay, so this is the battery here. It's lithium ion and it's made by Yardforce, and also there's the indicator there level. You press this button here like so, and it's onto 3 bars, which is plenty enough to cut the grass obviously, but I'm going to show you how the charger works. Okay, so this is the docking station here. It's wall mountable as well, folks. As you can see under there, you can actually screw it to the wall, which is really good. It's got a workshop with not much space. So what you do, and with it being wall mountable, you get these rails that are on the battery. See these rails either side? Now they're perfect because they slide into this docking bit there like this. So if it is on the wall, it's not going to fall off. That's the main issue. Okay, so it's in there. So I'll turn the power on. So now the power is on, and the green flashing light there, see, it's telling you that it's charging up. And this is the power status of the battery. Like I said to you before, it was on 3, so it's charging up now. And then if there's any faults, it actually shows you on here. This is your information chart. So it's not really. And the charging time for this thing, for this battery pack, is 60 minutes from flat all the way to fully charged. 60 minutes. Now that's not bad going, that's pretty quick that going, that is. 60 minutes, and it'll cut about the size, once you put that in your mower, and obviously the grass isn't like really overgrown or anything, it'll probably cut the equivalent to 1 tennis court, no problem. Easy in that 60 minutes, no problem. So that's the battery, and we'll do another video on how the other features of this mower work very shortly. So don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, more exciting things are coming. This is Yardforce, so don't forget to have a look at the other videos from the Yardforce stuff, and thanks very much for watching, folks. Oh, don't forget to go to www.yardforce.co.uk, and there's a whole list of cool, fantastic products for you, waiting for you just to click them on and enjoy yourself and buy one of these things. You're not buying petrol for a start, and you haven't got cables that you're going to trip over. Okay folks, I'm right down here amongst all the ants and everything else. Right, we're going really low. You can see the edge of the lawn here. Now this lawnmower has got a great feature for you. This feature is going to reduce the strimming. I'll show you now. So you get a really nice neat finish on the edge of your lawn. Just watch this, folks. Watch this feature. Drop it down, right down to number 1, guys. Okay folks, now you want to see underneath of this lawnmower. Let's go for a quick guided tour. Okay, underneath we've got the roller. Now that gives it that striped effect that I showed you earlier on, but with the sun being shiny and everything else today, I don't know if you picked it up on the camera. Then you've got this angled blade there, which is perfect, a bit like a helicopter blade. It will come up and swoop that grass up. It collects it up. That angled blade there pushes that grass in there. It makes sure it goes in there. You don't get any grass on the floor. You don't get any grass on the lawn. Then you've got this comb thing here. That pushes the grass straight into the lawnmower blade. That gives it that perfect trimmed edge. Just look down there, folks. Look how perfect trim that is over there. And have a quick look back this way. Just look at that. No need for trimming. None. None whatsoever. So I reckon you should get out there and buy this lawnmower. Don't forget to go to www.yardforce.co.uk. Okay guys. So this is the mower that you've all been dreaming about. This is the mower for you. The Yardforce. And the best of it is, folks, it's so loud. No, it's not so loud. It's so loud it makes a noise. That it makes a noise saying it's the best mower in the world. I don't mean it's loud because it makes a noise. And then you've got this grass thing here. That tells you when it's full and that pops up. This is sweet. You need to get yourself one of these. If you want to be the envy of your neighbours, get yourself the Yardforce. Because no other mower will do. It's better. I shouldn't say this. It's better than a fly mower. This thing will last you for years, and it's got a meaty, mighty, powerful motor with a meaty, mighty, powerful battery with it as well. It's so lightweight, even your granny can lift it up, and that's got some stuff in that as well, so no problem folks. Nice and rugged. The Yardforce. Don't leave home without it. Easy to control. Anyway, I've got some work to do. I better crack on. Okay guys, this is a real tricky bit for any gardener. Getting in that edge there. Can the Yardforce do it? Let's see. Let's get lined up, folks. Right, you're on. Not a bad job that, guys. Look at the lawn now. You can sort of see the stripes. If you can't see the stripes, it's because of the sunshine. But the stripes are definitely there. It's mid-afternoon and it's quite warm, so there you go. Perfect. Now that's a good look. Not even used a strimmer. Look at the edges there, absolute perfect. So this is hope you enjoy the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll keep you updated if any more Yardforce products come up. Don't forget, you saw me here first, so stay tuned folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit www.yardforce.co.uk. They've got loads of amazing machinery on that. Check it out guys.